how to use the prepositions of time on, in, and at. Once upon a time, Zara was born in the year 1900. She was born in June. She started school in 1905. She started school in the summer. She was born in the afternoon. She was born on Monday. She started school on Monday, August 21. She started school on August 21. She started school in August. At. School starts at 8 o'clock. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. She eats lunch at noon. She reads at night. Her bedtime is at 9 p.m. We use on with the days of the week. When referring to special days like Christmas Day, you can say on Christmas Day, or on New Year's Day, or on his birthday. If the date is written with the specific date and month or year, you will use the preposition on. So we can say on January 1st or on January 1st, 2021. We use the preposition in with year, month, part of a day, and seasons. So you can say he was born in 2022. That's a year. He was voted president in 2008. That's also a year. You can also use in with month. So you can say she's excited to start a new job in November. Which one is the correct statement? She was born on December or she was born in December? Is she was born in December. Remember, we use in with months. So which is the correct sentence? She was born on the 25th of December or she was born in the 25th of December? It's she was born on the 25th of December. So we use the preposition on when the specific day is specified along with the month or along with the month and the year. So 25th is specified. So we say on the 25th of December, and you can add the year if you want to. We also use in when we're talking about the part of the day. She'll see him in the morning. This is correct. He will attend the meeting in the morning at 8 o'clock. That is correct. So we use in with months. So we can say in January, in February, and so on in December. His birthday is in January. This is correct. We did not say his birthday is on January. That is incorrect. It's in January. Her birthday is on Monday. Correct? Not in Monday. We did not say in Monday. So we also use in with seasons. She wears a coat in the winter season. She will travel to London in the summer. We use at to refer to specific clock times. So you can say at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, at 7 o'clock. You can also say at night. She reads at night. She always sleeps at midnight. So we can say at midnight. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons. Leave a comment, like the video, and share the video. Thank you.